Hello friends, let's have some fun with the edge detect effect, what can also enhance your next music video. Let's get right into it. You can apply it of course immediately to your clip, but what I did here for our example was I alt dragged it one track above to make a copy, then I tucked it in front and center, no, front and end, and then I made a nice fade. So, and then I go to the effects library, and in OpenFX I search the edge detect, drop it on this clip, and then in the inspector I just go and play with the edges, with the brightness, with the gamma, blur. Let's go with the original idea, make it a little bit less white. You can have fun with it. It's so easy to use and so effective. Thank you very much for watching. Have fun with the rest of this playlist. Goodbye.